Yo, what's up? It's Sunki here. Take control and be happy every day. YouTube has just announced their new demonetization policy where you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watch time in the past 12 months before you can monetize your channel, or otherwise, if you have already monetized your channel will be demonetized, and there's only 30 days grace period. Just as I start to take YouTube seriously this year. What? If you're watching this, chances are you are also an emerging channel that feels the pain. I totally understand and get it. The slogan of this channel, take control and be happy every day. That's pretty good. Honey lemon. Anyway, let's get back to business. The reason I'm making this video is to encourage you all small emerging channels out there not to give up. YouTube made this policy change solely to look after their business, which is fair enough. YouTube, after all, is not a charity. They need to make enough money every year to keep their stakeholders happy. And if you were in their shoes, you probably would do the same too. Anyway, now let's check back into us, the small emerging channels that are affected. Now, first of all, life moves on. There's nothing we can do about it but to put that aside and to aim at what we need to do. If you are determined that YouTube is really the thing for you, one step at a time, putting one foot in front of the other. After all, when you really think about it, this demonetization really only affects you if you plan to only make money on AdSense. And if your revenue is purely on AdSense, this demonetization doesn't really affect you much anyway. Because when you have around 1,000 subscribers, how much would you be making? $150 to $200 a year? I'm saying that basing on my husband's health and fitness channel, that he has just got around 1,000 subscribers. And if you divide his yearly income to 12, that makes an average of what? $15 a month? I'll put a link down below if you're interested in checking him out. Anyway, my point here is you are not going to miss out a lot anyway. Find a $150 to $200 somewhere else, such as having a few meals less in the restaurants, or make your own coffee at home instead of having someone else make it for you. You will quickly save that money back. Now, my last note here is do not give up if you think YouTube is for you. Let's be YouTube buddies. Leave a comment down below and say hi. Identify yourself. Hello! Let's work hard on this together. Hit the like button if you like this video and please subscribe. Put a link of your channel down below and let me check them out. Alright, that's all for now. I gotta go back to work on my YouTube again. It's Sunki here. Take control and be happy every day. With lots of love. See you next time. Bye bye.